What you doing?
Making leaf strings.
Wow. Otters are very great at making things with their hands.
Yeah, it's kind of our thing. Want to help?
Me? Help? Oh, yes, please! I love helping! Hoglets are great at helping. Very great.
Okay, take a piece of string like this and tie the leaf on like this. There.
Okay.
Dance practice is very tiring, even when you are very great at it. Huh?
How's it going, Happy?
Oh, aha! I don't suppose I am very great at helping.
Tying leaves is really hard. It's an otter thing.
I can't do any of the great things anyone else can do. I'm just a prickle-headed, prickly thing. Prickle-headed, prickly, prickle thing.
Happy? You're rolling on the...
Bappy? Did someone say bop? I mean, mop?
I don't have a thing.
Bapping?
A thing! A thing I'm very great at.
You're very great at making messes, Hoppy.
And you've made a very great one here.
A very great? Huh? What? Did I do that? With my prickles? It's ruined. It's ruined. I am just a prickle-headed, prickly thing.
I wonder...
Oh, no. Olivia, look at it. It is ruined.
You're right, Frankie.
Wait. Happy, help Duckling. Take the other end. Hold it up.
We can help.
Allow us.
So pretty. Look, Happy. It's a light leaf string. A very great one.
It's beautiful.
It takes very great prickles to make a very great light leaf string.
That pickles. That baby bait bend.
Yes, Happy. You're very great at being a very great friend.
And that's the best thing to be very great at.
You're right, Frankie. Being a very great friend is Happy's thing.